How would you calculate the orders count using the order number, missing priorities count using the order priority, shipped count using the ship date? Hi, in this video we will gonna look about three different variations of the count function that is available in the Excel using the real life data set. We have this shipping data and we want to find out the orders count using this order number. First we will type equal to sign, select this count using this drop down, then we will select this whole column. We are getting 0. The reason we are getting 0 is because order number entries also contains the dash between the number, and because of this dash the Excel is considered it as a string rather than a number. So instead of using a simple count, we will use a COUNTA function. This COUNTA function also considered the string as well. We'll select it and select this whole column again. Now we are getting a real value, that is 1039. The missing priorities. The missing priorities mean the values that is not available in this column, this order priority column. Again we will type equal to sign, and there is a function, COUNTBLANK function. We are selecting this order priority. We have found that there are two values, there are two rows that are empty in this column. And the last one is shipped. How many orders we have shipped? We will use the count function. It's a simple count function. The total number of orders that we have shipped, it is 1037. So in this video, we have seen the three different variations of the count function, its uses with the real life data set. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.